So today we're going to be reviewing multiplication of 4-digit number times a 2-digit number. So let's take a look at the equation above. 1,429 times 42. Think about our different ways we've learned how to multiply over the last couple of years. So we have standard algorithm, which is okay, but today I would like you to use area model. So let's think about it. Area model. Area requires us to draw a rectangle. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a rectangle. And then I'm going to use expanded form to multiply my number. So let's break apart our first number. We have 1,000. Then we have 400. And then we have 20. And then we have 9. So we're going to multiply using those numbers. Now let's look at our second factor. We have 42. So 40 here and 2 here. So now I'm going to go ahead and just multiply all of the digits times each other. So first I'm going to do 1,000 times 40. Remember, when we're multiplying base 10s, just multiply your first two numbers and then add in your zeros. So 4 times 1 is 4. And out of both factors, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 40,000. And I have 400 times 40. I have 3 zeros in my answer. 4 times 4 is 16. So I have 16,000. 20 times 40, I'm going to have 2 zeros in my answer. And I'm going to have 4 times 2, which is 8. And then I'm going to multiply 9 times 40. So I know I'm going to have 1 0, and then 9 times 4 is 45. I'm going to add up all of those numbers to get part of my product. Okay? I'm going to do that at the end though. Go ahead and multiply now all those top numbers, 1,420 and 9 times 2. So we know that the first one is 2,000. Then we have 800. Then we have 40, and we have 18. Same thing again. I'm going to go ahead and add up those numbers. I can kind of do some of this in my head. So I know that 40 plus 16, so I'm looking at my numbers first. So 40 plus 16,000 plus 800 plus 450. So I get 57,250. And then I'm going to add up my bottom numbers. 2,000 plus 800 plus 40 plus 18. I get 2,800 and then 58. Squeeze that in there. And then so 57,250 is my partial product. And I'm going to add it to 2,858. Altogether, I get 60,108. So obviously, area model takes a little bit of time, but just remember, when you're doing standard algorithm and you have all those numbers and you're regrouping and making sure you put your place values correctly, you're more likely to make a mistake using standard algorithm. So for the next couple problems, I would like for you to use area model.